Get ready, start. The composite PSEV was bifurcated into PSEV and HSEV with effect from 2 May 1967. The officers and officials who are now retiring from HSEV had worked before 2 May 67 at some stations which now fall within the jurisdiction of new PSEV. Similarly, some officers who are now retiring from PSEV had worked before 2 May 1967 at some stations which now fall under present HSEV. References are often received from HSEV calling for no demand certificate in favor of those officers and officials who are now retiring from HSEV services but had served more than 25 years ago for some period at places now under this board. Similar information is being called for by PSEV from the HSEV. This information has to be collected from the concerned officers in the field where those officers and officials had worked at the relevant time. It has been observed that sometimes lot of delay occurs for collecting no demand certificate from the field officers, thus resulting into delay in finalization of the pension cases. It has further been observed that the services of the employees were transferred to HSEV about a quarter century back. In case anything remained outstanding against them, the same was recovered immediately after the bifurcation, and at this stage virtually nothing remains outstanding against them. Practically also, it has been seen that in almost all cases nil information regarding no demand certificate is received from the field officers. It appears to be only a formality which unnecessarily increases the office work and delays pension cases. Besides, after the expiry of such a long period, even the concerned record also do not become available, from where the field officers could ascertain as to whether any amount is outstanding against the name of a particular officer and official. In view of the above reasons, the question regarding dispensing with the practice of obtaining such like no demand certificates by PSEV from HSEV and vice versa had been engaging the attention of the board for some time past, but this could be done only with the consent of the HSEV. Stop.